Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out some new skincare, which I'm really excited about. I feel like my brows look so hectic. They don't look this bad in person. I feel like now that my hair's a bit lighter, they look crazy. But yeah, they don't look as hectic as they look at them on camera. They look awful. But anyway, so yeah, we have a few new products to try out. I'm really excited. Most of them are from the Body Shop, to be honest. I'm burning my a new candle. This is the Rainbow Unicorn candle from Royal Essence. It smells really nice, like bubblegum kind of. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to try is the Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I'm just seeing how they say how you use it, like if you just pour some out maybe in your hand. It feels like a water, but anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my eyes. Normally I would use my Clinique Take Off the Day Balm, but I have 2 big bottles of this, so I'm excited to see how it goes, and if I like it then it can stay. Okay, so I've just kind of put it all over, and now I'm gonna wet my hands and emulsify it, and then I'll use my blush off. I didn't have a whole lot of eye makeup on today, to be honest. Alright, now I'll take my blush off. Oh my god, I look crazy. Okay, yeah, I feel like that worked really well. I will need to see how it goes over time. I used to use micellar water to take my eye makeup off, and then it just irritated my eyes so bad. So I'll see how this goes, and yeah, see if I like it or whatnot. Because yeah, the Clinique Take Off the Day Balm has been the first product I've found that doesn't irritate my eyes. But yeah, so far so good. I feel like it worked really well. It came off quite easily. Like I said, I wasn't wearing a huge amount of eye makeup. So I'll be interested to try it out when I'm wearing some heavy duty eye makeup. But apart from that, I feel like that's quite good. I probably should have used it to take off the rest of my makeup too. I might just do that. Because surely if you can use it on your eyes, you can use it on the rest of your face, right? One thing I really don't like is the smell. Kind of smells like a distillery to me. Like vodka or beer or something gross. It's not too bad, it's a very faint scent, but yeah, I'm not a fan. I'm gonna take the rest of that off. Yeah, I feel like that all came off really well. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that, as I said. The one thing I don't like is the smell, but if it's a good product, I usually can, it's not so horrible that it'd be a deal breaker, if you know what I mean. On to the next thing, we have the Body Shop Vitamin E Gentle Face Wash. Now I did use this for the first time last night, and I feel like it was quite good. I quite liked it. It's just a creamy kind of product. But yeah, it's quite thick, and then you just put it on, rub it around, emulsify it. If you guys have tried any of the Body Shop skincare, let me know what you think. I would be interested to know. But yeah, this is all the stuff I got out of my advent calendars, so now I'm just trying it. I've got a few duplicate products as well, so I'm hoping that I like them. So yeah, it's just a very nice kind of smooth cleanser. It just feels just a nice cream. It kind of feels more like a moisturizer that's cleaning, if you know what I mean. You guys know that obviously moisturizers are quite gentle, so that's good. So I feel like it's a very good product for someone with sensitive skin, which is good. Something that's good for every day, because even if you don't have super sensitive skin, you don't want to be washing your face every day with something super harsh, you know. You want something that's gonna not hurt your skin by using it a lot. Okay, my face is all clean now, and now we're going to try out a face mask. This is the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. So yeah, I'm excited. This one's from the Body Shop. Alright, so I'm just going to take my eye mask brush. Oh, this smells really nice. It smells like mature. Okay, so it says rinse off after 5 to 10 minutes. It just smells really nice and like fresh and like skincare-y, you know? Like you've walked into like a really bougie salon, like a spa. I don't know, it smells good though. Oh, it kind of tingles. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera for 10 minutes while this sets, and then I'll be back to rinse it off. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off now. So I'm just gonna start by like rubbing it with some hot water, and then I'll use my blush off. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna like wash, or try to wash the rest off in the shower. I don't know if you guys can see like how kind of red my face is, but yeah, I feel like that one was pretty harsh. What is it? Himalayan charcoal. Yeah, honestly, if you have sensitive skin, I would not recommend that at all. I feel like my skin can take a fair bit, and that one really quite, I don't know, like it kind of just burnt a little bit, and it's just especially along these bits, just like kind of like my T-zone, where it's especially red and like burning. Like down here it's all good, it's just through here. In saying that, my skin feels so good. There is not like a pore in sight, no blackheads or anything. Like it did a really good job of what it did, but it did burn a bit. Now I'm gonna have a shower. I'm gonna wash my hair and everything, and I'm gonna take the Bath & Body Works Twisted Peppermint Shower Gel. Then I'm gonna take the Body Shop Shea Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I'm gonna take the Goldwell Scalp Specialist Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This honestly doesn't really work very well. My dandruff is pretty bad, and I feel like, yeah, this doesn't really do a whole lot. I need to try out another one, but I'm just going to use this one first. And then for shampoo, I'm taking the Goldwell Blondes and Highlights Anti-Yellow Conditioner. When I get out of the shower, I'm going to spray in the Blondes and Highlights spray. But yeah, I'm going to go to my shower now, and then I will be back to finish off the rest of the skincare. So yeah, see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm out of the shower now. I washed my hair and everything. I just sprayed in my Blonde and Highlights Brilliance Serum Spray from Goldwell. And the moisturiser I used today was the Bath & Body Works Snowy Citrus Swirl moisturiser, and oh my god, it smells so good. I have a towel on, by the way. Okay, so what I'm going to do first now is do a lip scrub, and this is the Lush Lush Candy Cane Lip Scrub. It's Christmas time now, so I can use this. Oh, it tastes so good. Exactly like candy canes. I like to do this first because otherwise like the little granules get everywhere in your moisturiser and everything. And then I'll wipe off the excess. Okay, so next we have the Body Shop Drops of Youth Concentrate. And I had a look up to see what it actually is, and it just seems like it's like a serum. It just says, get fresher and healthier looking skin with our Drops of Youth Concentrate. This refreshing gel-like serum leaves skin feeling fresher, replenished with moisture and healthy looking glow. Now reinforced with protection from environmental aggressors for skin that feels strengthened and suppler. So yeah, you use this first and then you put your moisturiser over the top. So I'm really excited to try this. Oh, it's very thick. Like usually the ones in these bottles are quite like runny. Oh, and it smells really nice. Quite similar to that mask before actually. Right. Oh wow, yeah, okay, it's like very gel. Smells so good though. Hoping it kind of calms my skin down after that mask. Feels really nice going on the face. Yeah, you can really see like the redness of my face where that mask kind of like burnt it. So hopefully that's not there tomorrow. But alright, next I'm gonna try the Vitamin E Moisture Cream. And it just says it's a lightweight facial moisturizer that protects and locks in moisture for all day hydration. Just looks like this. I'll just put a little bit on. This just feels quite similar to the Vitamin E face wash. I feel like it stings a little bit, but I can't tell if it's just because I'm touching where my face has already been burnt. I feel like that's going to take a couple of seconds to sink in. It has quite a, leaves quite the residue on the face. Alright, while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to take the Body Shop Lip Butter, the coconut one. I don't think I've ever had the coconut one before, so I'm really excited. It just looks like this. And we'll just put some of this on. I've used heaps of their lip butters before, just not the coconut scent. I do really like them. Feels very nice. It tastes really good. Well, like, you know what I mean. Alright. Still waiting for that moisturiser to sink in. See, this is what I liked about the Hey Butter one. It was like instantly like in my skin. I hate the ones that sit on top, but that's all good. Alright. And then the last step is the Body Shop Energizing Face Mist. And it says it's for dull, tired, grumpy skin. I feel like I don't want to use this today because it's like energizing and I'm about to go to bed, so I might leave this one for now and I might just use it on my other face mists. I might take the strawberry one. This is the Body Shop Strawberry Smoothing Face Mist. Such a nice mist. Yeah, I just feel like that other one sounded like, you know, it was for more like in the morning. So that might be a good one to take to work. And I'll have in my bag throughout the day so that I can get a nice, you know, re-energize when I need it. But anyway, this is the finished video. I know I'm looking a hot mess right now. We should probably take this out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. So I just want to go quickly through my thoughts of everything. The Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, I feel like it's good. I'm going to have to try it out with like my more heavy duty makeup, as I said. But yeah, so far so good. I hate the smell, but apart from that, it seems really good. My eyes aren't sore or anything like that, so that's good. I really quite like the Vitamin E Gentle Face Wash. I feel like it's just a good everyday one. Just quite quick and easy and just, yeah, something you can, you know, just do it and be done with. As for the mask, I don't recommend this one at all because my face is actually in quite a bit of pain and I don't know if you guys can see like kind of how bad, how red it is, like probably a bit hard to see. I wonder if I shine like, just because I don't have like my lights in here, it's just the bathroom lighting. If I shine like, oh no, that's even worse, isn't it? Like that, you can kind of see a bit more like how red it is. Kind of like, yeah, where it's kind of burnt it. I don't know what it is about this. Maybe it's just really harsh or like really strong, but as I said, it did wonders to my skin, but I just don't know if it's worth the pain. My face just feels really hot now and just really not relaxed. So yeah, I don't recommend this one. If you have it, let me know what you think. I mean, like, by all means, if you want to try it out, go for it, but I just feel like, yeah, that's okay. As for I'd already tried out the Shea Sugar Scrub before. I really liked that. I love the Twisted Peppermint. It was so amazing. Just felt like Christmas in the shower. My shampoo and stuff I've been using for ages, but as I said, I feel like the dandruff one doesn't really do a whole lot, but I cleaned my hair, so yeah, I'll just use it up and then try out a different one. If you guys have any recommendations for anti-dandruff shampoos that like actually work, let me know. The Drops of Youth I do really like. I like how fast it sinks in. It feels like really, like a really nice formula. Definitely excited to try that out a bit more. The moisturizer, I feel like it was just quite average. I feel like it's still sitting on top of my skin, which I just really don't like. You know, I like one that sinks in quite fast. So maybe next time I will just use a lot less. Love the lip scrub, love the lip butter, and I've already tried out the what do you call it, like the spray before, but I do really like that. And I also love the Snowy Citrus Swirl body butter. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried out any of these products. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.